The Neptune instrument is a no-tube, no-pump automate. The reagents, diluent, wash buffers, conjugate and substrate are provided in individual ready-to-use cartridges. The Neptune instrument dives the strips into the cartridges, going from well to well in a sequential procedure. One patient is tested using one strip and one cartridge. Up to 24 patients can be tested in the same run on any parameter combination. Diving all the strips simultaneously into cartridges ensures that all the strips have the same incubation conditions. No dead volume, so no purchase of extra volume needed. No priming and no tedious washing or disinfection steps are necessary. Before processing of the Neptune instrument, maintenance is reduced and easy to perform. The Neptune instrument keeps a record of all the test information, which can be downloaded on the provided USB stick afterwards. It's provided with a touchscreen for easy operation and control. And finally, the test time is uniquely short, thanks to an innovative processing principle. Strips are mounted on a special plastic support called the strip holder. Once the required number of strips have been inserted in the clamp, the Neptune instrument begins scanning the barcode on the back of each one. After unzipping and putting the reagent cartridges in place, a second scan is done and the strip cartridge association is checked. The Neptune instrument records this data for test traceability purposes. In the case of a wrong strip cartridge association, the system alerts the user so that he can intervene and replace the faulty item. When everything is finally correctly loaded, the strips are immersed for 60 seconds in the wash buffer, contained in one of the cartridge compartments. The Neptune instrument then presents the strips to the user for drying the tip of the strips. The patient's serum can now be dispensed. The test begins. It lasts just 1 hour. The strips are incubated first with diluted patient sera. Human autoantibodies, if present, bind to the corresponding specific antigens on the strip membrane. Unbound or excess antibodies are removed by a washing step. On further incubation in the conjugate reagent, the enzyme-labeled antibodies binds to the antigen autoantibody complexes if present, after removal of excess conjugate by washing. The strips are finally incubated in a substrate solution. Enzyme activity, if present, leads to the development of purple dots on the membrane. The intensity of coloration is directly proportional to the amount of autoantibodies present in the sample. When the test is finished, the clamp returns to its original position. Strips and cartridges can then be removed from the Neptune instrument. Analysis of the results can begin. The Diaspot Neptune strips can be checked either qualitatively, by a simple visual reading of the strip, or semi-quantitatively, using the scanner and Neptune quantification software. The Neptune quantification software also allows Diaspot Neptune multi-quant strips to be analysed quantitatively using the calibration curve on each strip. Finally, the entire information concerning the progress of a run can be downloaded on the provided USB stick. The information in text format can be read by any word processing software. The Neptune instrument, a smart automated solution for the processing of immunodot assays.